Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be discussing about how to apply for scholarships in France, and these are provided by the Paris-Saclay University. And we'll show the full detailed application process for this. How do you apply? Before that, let me remind you to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you already subscribed, please like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. All scholarships are posted here, and you can apply to them. The link for this scholarship in France is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links will be given in the respective scholarship videos and in their descriptions. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see all the links are also given there. And on our website, you can directly visit fullscholarships.net and cashmanlook.com. You can also message our team directly on Instagram and ask for the link. Meanwhile, our website fullscholarships.net is the easiest way to reach this. And once you're on our website, you can directly apply for this particular scholarship. So it's in the France, and here are some details. Level of study you can apply for is masters, and institution is Université Paris-Saclay, and it's in France. Deadline is 25th of March 2026, and all the master's courses in this university are eligible for the scholarships. So you should apply before 25th of March, and after you apply, your application will be submitted for the evaluation for scholarships. And this scholarship will cover 10,000 euros per year, and then a maximum of 1,000 euros will be provided for the travel and visa expenses. And this scholarship will be awarded for 1 or 2 years depending on which M1 or M2 masters you apply for. And eligibility requirements, you should basically eligible for the course that you apply. Rest you'll be easily and this you'll be easily considered for the scholarship when they'll be starting the application. So first you need to submit masters application through this link here, or we have given the link as well here, and simply submit the application. So let's start the process. At the end, click on this apply link to start the application process. Now once you check that, you can see details about the scholarship eligibility criteria, how to apply for the master's program, how to apply for scholarships. You can see you'll be automatically receiving the link to online application form in case you will be shortlisted for the scholarship from the professor. So you'll be definitely getting that. Now go to admissions tab here and click on international students here. Now once you click on that, you can see second tab, international students applying for master's degree. Click on this link here. After that, you can see application procedure. I want to apply for first 1 year masters or M2 second year masters. So you have to select that, and you can see my country, I live in a country not falling under the study in France procedure. So we have to go to the Inception platform here. So click on the Inception platform here. Now for the first time users, you have to click on setting up an account here and enter your gender, then your name, your last name, then your date of birth, your email confirmation, and create a password, confirm the password and register. I already have registered with this, so I'll show you the login here. So you have to use the same email and password that you sign up with, and then simply log in. Now for the first time when you log in, you can see this type of dashboard will be there. Now click on new application here, and now you have to submit a new application details. So you can see program selected, we have selected masters. Now specialization you wish to apply, you can select any of this. We'll select computer science diploma level, we'll select second year program. So you can see different are there. So I'll select masters of research in computer science. Now click on next step, and you can see personal details. So enter your first name, last name, your date of birth. All details must be as per the passport. Make sure you don't have any mistakes here. Select the nationality. One by one you have to mention that. Country of birth, city of birth, mention that. Country outside France. So then telephone and country, mention that here, and street number and postcode and city. After that, are you an applicant of exile? So no, click on next. After that, your education details, your bachelor details, when did you complete your bachelor's degree? So you can mention that here, and which subject you completed, so you can mention that here. and with honors or without honors. So you can mention all the details here one by one. And then, have you ever been registered in French institution? No, we have not. So have you ever been studying? Where have you been studying this year? So no study at the moment. We have completed the graduation just previous study. Studying last year. So anywhere you had, we had no study there. Prior to that, we had no study, just at home institution. How have you completed? Are you completing a diploma in French area in this institution? No. Applying part in this? No. Double degree, doctorate? Yes, we'll consider. Do you apply? Are you applying to other French university at the moment? So not. Have you interrupted studies? No. Then click on next step. So one by one, then select your grades. So scores you have achieved. Uh, so we'll mention the CGPA here. One by one. Then click on save and next. Then internship, if you have, you can add that. Else we'll skip this and click on next. Work experience, we don't have any. We'll skip. Then miscellaneous information, mother tongue, you can mention English, French language skills. So no, we are no French and English English language skills. So it's advanced, able to follow English. Yes. For the academic year, do you apply for this University Paris Scholarship? So here you have to mention yes. And so then in order to anticipate the administrative procedure, so I'm a student continuing, and you can mention this here. Have you interrupted studies? No. And next step. After that, recommendations. So referee, second referee, and email. Then confirm the email. So now the second referee details. And we'll confirm this. Then click on next step. So click on contact referees here. Yes. Okay. Now click on next. So reminder has been sent. So now you have to upload your motivation letter here one by one. So let's choose the motivation letter here. Click on open. Now you can see uploaded. And so now you have to upload transcripts, and one by one upload all the documents. Then click on next step here. After this, validate my application. Once you have information complete, once certificates, everything is uploaded successfully, you can click on next step and validate. So application validation is the last step. Once it's validated, your application will be submitted, and it will be showing here submitted. So in the meantime, you'll also receive the mail that your application acknowledgement. Here you can see referee's acknowledgement that email has been sent to referee. And similarly, you have to complete this section of this documentation here on the portal. That's it. Simple submission, simple process, simple documentation. You have to submit this, and once you get submitted, you can contact the university or department or HOD, head of the subject, that you kindly consider my application for the Paris-Saclay scholarship. Recommend my application for the scholarship, fully funded scholarship, and based on that they will respond to you and will submit your application for the recommendation. That's it, simple process. And once you receive offer, you'll be having the scholarship amount mentioned on that, and prior to that scholarship amount, scholarship review or the decision, you will receive an email regarding if your application has been submitted or recommended for the validation. That's it. So you need to contact the professors or dean or HOD that my application be considered for the scholarship as well. So this is the simple process. Once you write in a good email, good wording in the email, and definitely they are going to consider for this. That's it for today. Simple process. Visit our website philscholarships.net. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video. Keep watching. Anything in doubt, ask us in the comment section. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.